If you're having trouble seeing out of your windshield, the solution might not be as simple as just grabbing a glass cleaner and a microfiber towel. And that's because windshield haze or fog on the inside or the outside of the windshield can be caused by a variety of factors. But in this video, I'll break down how to clear up any type of haze you may encounter. Seriously, pretty much anything. The first type of haze might just be a layer of dirt or pollen or bug guts or something organic, so I always like to start with a thorough exterior and interior windshield cleaning. To start, wash with soap and water and a wash mitt on the outside and a glass cleaner on the interior. And if haze still remains, keep watching, because the second type of haze that people commonly encounter is caused by a process called off-gassing. This haze forms on the interior side of your windshield, and off-gassing generally occurs in newer vehicles. It's a process that occurs when plastic from your dash gets hot and vaporizes, causing this vapor to cling to the interior of your windshield. That's what forms that haze. That new car smell, that may be your dash or other plastics and rubbers releasing these gases. Yeah. This type of haze can be difficult to remove without using pressure, which is why I like to use a glass cleaning wand to save my back. We recommend using a 50-50 mix of isopropyl alcohol and distilled water to a microfiber applicator, and then apply friction until you begin to remove this haze. Other products may not work. A quick tip, never spray products like isopropyl alcohol or other glass cleaners directly on the windshield from the inside, and that's because water droplets from overspray can stain your dash, and generally they can be hard to remove if these droplets dry when the dash is hot. The third type of haze is actually fog. So when fog forms on the inside of your windshield, this is the result of humid air inside of your car condensing on a cold windshield. To prevent fog, just run your car's defrost setting. That generally will help in modern cars. They do a pretty good job of this. As a general principle, the way defrosters work is they activate your air conditioning, which helps to dry out the humidity that's in the car and eliminate the fog. It pulls in drier air from the outside of the car to eliminate moisture. So just make sure you're not recirculating the air conditioning on the inside of the car, because you need that moisture out. Even if your heater's on, your air conditioning will pump dry air in to solve this problem. You can also crack a window. That can help as well. To prevent fog, the best method is actually not to use anti-fog products. We'll talk about those in a second, but it's to actually clean any kind of film from the interior side of your windshield, because a thin dirt film or a layer of grease or something can create a surface where it's easier for these water droplets to collect. Anti-fog products technically work, but all they do is create a film that prevents these water droplets from forming. It tends to spread the water out. In rare cases, you may have a substance like glue or adhesive on the outside of your windshield that can't be removed by chemicals alone. It needs agitation. It needs a different solution. In this case, I start with a clay bar just to remove any of those metallic particles, anything that soap alone can't remove. And then from there, to tackle the glue or to tackle the dried bug guts, use a razor blade on a long handle. You can find these online. They're really great for this application. Always use detailing spray for lubrication. It makes the job a lot easier. That razor blade will help to remove any dried contaminants on the glass itself. Never use a razor blade on tinted glass. You wouldn't want to do that on the inside of the windshield, on any kind of tinted surface. If you have some type of adhesive, sometimes an adhesive remover can help. Always finish with an IPA wipe down, that 50-50 ratio of water and isopropyl alcohol. That's just going to cleanse the surface of any residue the adhesive remover may have left behind. So there you have it. Once your windshield's looking clear, you can apply a product like Invisible Glass to achieve maximum clarity. If it's bug season, a hydrophobic coating like Rain-X can help, but it's totally up to you. These can sometimes be hard to apply evenly. One final tip, start with microfiber towels that will pick up things like bug guts, like glue, and then work your way down to a low pile glass towel that is designed not to leave streaks. Hope this video helps. For more tips like this, you can check out our video course at carwashcountry.com/course. We have a ton of content for beginners if you're looking to up your game and save money washing from home. My name's Baxter. Be sure to subscribe, check out our other content, and I'll see you in the next video.